Priyanka Jha, and I'm a career counselor at Mentoria. The workshop was good and really interactive, which helped me clear my doubts. In a month after finishing my training, I received my certificate and contract. 2-3 days after that, once my account was set, I immediately started getting clients as well, for both basic and advanced sessions. I have completed a month now with Mentoria, and I have definitely earned a lot more than what I invested for the training. It has been a really good freelancing opportunity for me. I really like how flexible it can be, and I can take sessions whenever and wherever I am. Investing in Mentoria was definitely worth it.
Hi, my name is Neeti, and I've been working with Mentoria for the past 1 year. And it has been a very interesting experience. So earlier, when we were learning about the entire process, it was very exciting to know how different aspects can work out for different individuals. And it is one of the most comprehensive yet accurate processes, if you can say, are over there. So it has been a really good journey, and the training that I had, like basic and advanced, both the trainings that I had, I almost made back the investment that I put in my training within, let's say, 2 months of working with Mentoria. So overall, it was like that, and the certification was definitely worth it for me because it has also helped me understand how career guidance works in more general terms and how basic personality clusters lie and where it exists.
I am Siddhi here, counselor from Mentoria. And today I am really very grateful to Mentoria that it has given me an opportunity to share my journey and experiences with you all. I am learning and growing each day. My experience from the very first day to now is very positive and very fulfilling. We have really amazing co-workers who are on toes, very patient, very hardworking, and very welcoming to counselor and the counselees. Your time, your money, your effort, your energy to Mentoria, whenever you invest it here, it is really worth it.
Hi, I'm Darsha Gandhi. I'm one of the career counselors in Mentoria. I've been associated with Mentoria from last 4 years, and I can tell you it is a totally worth it experience. If you want to join in as a counselor, I can guarantee you that you will never be out of work, and you will be given an excellent training to be a career counselor.
I'm Manisha Bakna. My journey with Mentoria started way back in 2016, and I was one of the first counselors to be onboarded to work with Mentoria. The team always trusted and believed in me and my style and allowed me to experiment and use my creativity during the counseling sessions. The best part about it was the team never allowed or never shied away from walking an extra mile when it came to work. They always encouraged, they always pushed their counselors' team to take new challenges, new initiatives. They always try to keep us on toes, updated. They always prepare us to handle complex and difficult people. As a chief counselor today, I feel proud to be associated with Mentoria and supporting a young CEO and founder in his dream to make this world a better place to live, and therefore help the younger generations to take informed decisions.
My name is Preeti. I'm one of the counselorpreneurs with Mentoria. I get to refer clients to Mentoria for a referral fee. Mentoria gets a bigger reach and client gets amazing career counseling services. There is a personal assigned to me from Mentoria who takes over from that point onwards, and they follow up with the client in explaining to them the structure, the fees, what to expect, how does Mentoria help them lifelong and everything. Mentoria is also very helpful in terms of telling us and helping us with how to do marketing, how to generate more references, how to maintain references, and how to use our influence circle at its best possible capacity to grow the business basically. So it's a great initiative. It's totally worth it.
So my experience with Mentoria has been pretty remarkable, I would say. My whole training has been a very personal experience, and I have realized that the importance of career counseling and how it can shape our futures to such a great extent. So I think personally, being associated with the training for almost a month now, my experience with Mentoria and the training program has been very worth it.